Morgan here with Northern Prairie Market. Like we said last time in our video, we were going to give you a tour of the farm this time. We decided to break that up into a couple of chunks, so we'll make a couple of different videos. Today we're out, we put some bales out for some modified bale grazing here for the cows. Throughout the winter, we use a couple of different feeding techniques. We're trying to get to the point where we don't have to feed any hay mechanically. Would either be bale grazing or swath grazing throughout most of the winter. We're not set up to do that quite yet. So for a couple of months, starting the very end of December, we were feeding with a bale grinder out on some crop stubble to get some carbon and soil armor added to that particular crop field. Now we're have moved them in here onto some pasture land, and we're bale grazing for a while here until the early cows start calving, and then we will turn the later cows out onto another bale grazing spot. So we run all of our cows together. They don't get split into groups until right before the heifers calve. Yesterday we pulled heifer calves off of the cows here and put them into the feedlot, which we'll show you later. We put the feedlot up a few years ago before our cow feeding philosophy changed. So now we don't use the feedlot in a typical feedlot management situation. We use it more for gives us an ability to split the cows out at different times for different feed requirements or different management reasons. So we will stop over there next. Okay, so here we are standing in our bred heifer pen. Like I said, we just pulled these off the cows yesterday. We just pulled them off so that they don't have to compete with the bigger cows to get hay now, as we're getting within about 2 months of them calving. They don't get fed anything special to get raised, just like we expect our cows to be raised so that they're ready next year and they're not used to getting any extra feed. Like I said, we are in feedlot pens. We have 3 pens here. But to date this year, we have not fed a single pound of feed in the feed bunks. They've all been, it's been fed long rough edges here, so it just allows us to manage the cattle a little differently depending on their nutritional needs. In the first pen, to my left here, is where the breeding bulls are right now. We're moving them in over the barns just to get them out of the way, as we'll move our replacement heifers into a pen separate from our yearling cattle, so that they can be fed just a little bit more. In the third pen, over to my right, are all of our calves from last year, minus the 40 biggest steers. We decided to sell the 40 biggest steers so that we could fund our YouTube channel here, so you guys could see a little bit around the farm. So in there we have all of our a bunch of the steers and all of our heifers. We'll just take off the top 80% of the heifers, and they will be exposed to a bull for about 21 days, and we'll let nature of the bull decide who's fit to be a replacement animal in our herd. So we'll move the heifers over into the pen the bulls are currently in, and they'll get fed just a little bit more. We will probably start feeding a little bit of grain to these cattle, just because we need to use up some real low quality grain that we have from the tough harvest this past year. So we just want to get some value out of that. So we probably will run a little bit of that through the cattle here. With the cows, most of our cows are calving in late May and June. We do have a few cows that calve when these heifers calve in the end of March and beginning of April, and those ones are just the ones we AI'd to kind of get our genetics to move ahead quicker. But like I said, we are moving to calving in late May and June, more in sync with Mother Nature. We did that for the first time last year. About 2/3 of our cow herd calved in June last year. We really liked it, and we didn't have any problems really to speak of. So going forward, I think all of our cows will be calving later in the year, out on pasture, away from any barns, so they'll have to do that on their own. We're not quite sure if we're going to AI our replacement heifers again next year, or this coming year, or if we will back those up for later calving too. So thanks for coming along on our journey through our cow herd and that part of the operation. Next time we'll take a look at some pigs and chickens. As always, thanks for watching. If you would like to follow along, please like and share our video. We appreciate it, and click subscribe below to follow along on the journey here at Northern Prairie Market.